Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are using InShot to edit your videos and you are looking to remove the InShot logo that appears at the end of your creations, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to hide the logo without removing the watermark for free. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the video option and select the video that you want to edit. Go ahead and make all your edits like adding music, transitions or text. Next, to hide the logo, there you can find the option of sticker. Tap on it. Now again tap onto stickers and find the one sticker that you want to hide the logo from. After selecting the sticker, you can add the sticker above the logo like this. And here you can see it has hide the logo like that. And for the next one, here you can use text. Tap onto text. Go ahead and find the underscore type of word, this one. Then make it big like this, and you can simply put it on the logo just like this. Adjust the logo. Now you can see the logo has disappeared, and that's how you hide the logo. Next, you can simply tap on to save. And that's it. It's super simple to hide the InShot logo from your videos, and you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.